Hey Beans, welcome back. Today I'm making a commission for my mom because she has a friend who is obsessed with sea turtles and she wanted me to make a cute little terrarium as a gift for her. I found a majority of these items at the dollar stores as well as the craft stores. I will leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. So I started off with some white sand that I found at Dollar Tree and I only filled it up to a small amount. I would say like maybe a half a cup. Then I started filling in with these fake moss that I found at the Michael's craft store as well as these fake rocks. And I got these cute little jars and just filled them up with beads and charms. That was from Dollar Tree. I wanted to put it somewhere to give it like a treasury kind of feeling, you know? Next, I mixed in the water, so I don't have resin, but I got creative with some Mod Podge, a little bit of water, some paint, and let this dry overnight. Next was making the sea turtle. I had a sea turtle mold, thankfully, and I used polymer clay. And putting this together was pretty easy, honestly. So I got polymer clay from Michael's craft store, and I'm using a gold as well as a lime green. Let that bake for a little bit, for about 10 minutes, about 200 degrees, and I put these cute little pearls in. Like I said, I wanted to give it more of like a sea life kind of feeling, like a treasure hunt almost. So I found these cute pearls. They actually came out really nice. It felt more like a mermaid. After that, we let this cool for about half hour to an hour. And then I placed a cute little sea turtle in a spot, fix it up a bit, and we're done. This was such a quick and easy DIY project. I hope you all enjoy it. And if you guys make any of these, please share with me on my Instagram and tag me at UAWriter. I'd love to see your creations, and I hope you enjoy this video, Beans. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.